This is your boy Oliver Nshom. Hope you're doing great wherever you are right now. I want to share with you a very powerful concept in the professional speaking industry, and it's actually a concept I coined, the speaker's geography. Back in the middle schools, secondary school, we did geography, and especially the physical geography, where you had to learn the topography, understanding the maps and the land, and that's why this is what I'm talking about. All right, that's what I'm talking about. So you see, as a professional speaker, an aspiring speaker, an established speaker, you need to know your speaker's geography. Why? Because you need to know where you want to start your speaking and where you want to end. Because if you don't know your destination, you will definitely never arrive anywhere. You can actually arrive at destination, but you don't know, you will never know you have arrived. So that's why understanding the geography of your speaking is very important. So now the question you need to ask yourself now is, where are you right now? Right, this is the starting point. Where are you right now? Now, how do you know where you are right now? I'm talking about, what are your goals in the speaking industry? How many countries do you want to speak in? Which are the kind of platforms and events you want to speak there? Which are the countries you want to speak there? Right. So you want to factor all of that in. Let us know. Right. Where do you want to speak in the next 12 months, in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, in the next 15 years, in the next 20 years? Who do you want to see yourself become in as much as the professional speaking industry is concerned? So that's why you need to come out with your geography, just like this one. All right, you need to come out with the geography of the speaking. So you think about the geography of the speaking, and what are the things that can guide you. What are the guiding principles? What are the three pillars that can help you to come up with the geography of the speaking? The first one is, you must have a vision. Where do you see yourself the next day, the next week, in the next month, the next year, the next 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years? Where do you see yourself? You must see yourself, because if you don't see yourself there, you don't arrive there. So you must see yourself. Hey guys, 14 years ago, I saw myself as a global speaker, traveling around the world and speaking and sharing my story, and that's exactly what I'm doing today. So where do you see yourself now? Because where you don't see yourself to be, you can't be there. Because you can only go as far as your geography can tell you to go, as far as your vision can take you. Alright. And so when you identified your goals, where you want to arrive in your speaking industry, the next thing you need to look at, how do you get there? Now that's where training comes in. That's where mentorship comes in. That's where coaching comes in. That's where personal development comes in. Personal development has to do with you developing yourself, to be able to deliver, equipping yourself with knowledge, with experience, with skills. Alright. So when you build yourself by developing yourself, looking for mentors, getting coaches, and getting trained, because it always starts with you getting trained as a speaker, as a trainer. So when you begin to do these things, the next thing is, which is of course the third thing you're looking about, right, is, okay, how do I get the speaking opportunities that I want or that I need? All right, so that's why you need to start belonging to speakers associations. Like we have every country, most of the countries in the world, they have their speakers association. I'm a member of the United States National Speakers Association. Okay, and that is a speakers association. So you have to belong to the speakers association. All of these speakers associations around the world, we have 17 to 20 of them right now, and they are all part of the Global Speakers Federation. So you have to belong, because there you're going to be nurtured, you're going to be trained, you're going to be taught, and you're going to connect and network with amazing speakers and event organizers, event planners, and event hosts that will help you to maneuver your way up to the top. Away from being part of the speakers association, you also need to belong to speakers bureaus, and that's why that's how your website comes in, your social media comes in, your branding comes in, and all of that. So when you talk about your speakers bureaus, belonging to speakers associations, having your website set up, branding yourself on social media by doing what we call social proof, ensuring that you do a lot of updates, and wherever you speak, you have to update your followers, your friends, those are with you. And so when you begin to do that, That is how your trajectory keeps shifting from one year to another. Before you notice, you are right there at the top. My name is Oliver Nshom. If this video makes some sense to you, I would love to share it with somebody. Apart from liking and commenting, share it with somebody who need to hear this. I'm looking forward to see you at the top.